Thanks for tuning in as we repair the carnage from last week's adventure in Sedona. I managed to slam my steering stabilizer into a rock, completely crush it, and still drive home that day. But today we'll install a new stabilizer so we can drive safely to California. Enjoy!
I got a new one! Woohoo! This was only $40. $40. And it's got a lifetime warranty, guarantee, something like that. I asked him, said, if I brought you in a crushed steering stabilizer, you guys would give me a new one? He said, oh yeah. So yeah, anyways, this is more of a temporary fix. I think I might go for a dual steering stabilizer setup, something like that, just in case I do crush one. I still got the other one. It was a hell of a ride driving this thing home yesterday, and as you just saw, it really affects the steering radius. With the truck with a good steering stabilizer, totally could have made that corner coming in at the wall, but had to reverse and 3-point it because she won't turn. She's pretty crunched. Where's the crunch though? Huh, can't see the crunch. It's right there. So this should be a pretty straightforward install. Really the main thing is we just got to take out the bolts, take out the old one, and put the new one in. There's some 18 millimeter bolts and then also some 15 millimeter nuts that we need to get in on. So let's get right to it, right? Alright, so we put her up on some old blocks because it's just way hard to work under there. Alright, I managed to crack this bolt loose, but it takes a very interesting technique.
You might also consider cleaning your truck beforehand, but clearly I didn't, and everything worked out just fine. Also, you look really cool when you're super dirty afterwards. Really like a mechanic.
This old one too. Oh geez, almost whacked myself with this wrench again in the face. You gotta be really careful when you're directly under this wrench. I mean, it sounds obvious, but it slipped my mind, as you saw. Dirt dropping on my whole face. So of course this one is super easy and just kind of comes right off there. I'm not holding this top bolt either, so alrighty, there it is. Well, the old one's off, and that's good because it was a little bit bent. So now time to put the new one in. The new one. Ooh, ah. Getting it all dirty. Yeah, I got the new one on.
Awesome.
Yep. Got the bolts in, just gotta tighten them up. Do a quick test drive, make sure that she's good to go. Oh yeah, feeling good so far. You're way sharper again. It's fixed. I fixed it. Yay! All right, well now that that install is done, greasy install, Lessons learned. 1, it was really easy. 2, don't be an idiot and drop tools on your face. Because you're working right above it. 3, if you have some little, drive up on rampy deals that we used, just use them. It's going to be a lot easier. You don't really need them. It's just easier with having more space underneath there. Yeah, it's a really easy install. Just go ahead and do it. It's not too bad. Hardest part's just getting those old bolts off. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Working on this truck a ton before I go full-time, traveling through US, Canada, Alaska with this little silly one here. And we'll see you next time.